So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can create multiple YouTube channel with one Google account. So first of all, open the browser on your PC. Now here search for YouTube and open it. Now after this, click on your profile. Now here click on YouTube Studio. Here on the left pane, click on Settings. Now click on Channel. Now here click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down and here click on Manage YouTube Account. Now here click on Create a new channel. Now enter the name. For example, now enter the handle. And once done, click on Create Channel. And this will create the channel. So this way I can create multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.